Welcome dear students. Now I am going to show you how we can change assertive affirmative sentence into negative, thereafter into interrogative and interrogative negative of present continuous tense. First of all, look at the examples I have given here. I am playing now. I subject, am present form of be verb, playing main verb ing, that means present participle. Now others or adverb, leave it, and it is assertive affirmative. Similarly, he is reading a book. Similarly, the boys are enjoying the game. That means subject plus am is are, that means present form of be verb, thereafter main verb ing, mving or present participle form, and thereafter object or others. Now if we want to make these sentences into assertive negative, we have to place only not just after am is are. For example, example 1, I am not playing now. It is assertive negative. Similarly, he is reading a book. It will be he is not reading a book. Similarly, third one also, the boys are not enjoying the game. The boys are not enjoying the game. In this way, we can change assertive affirmative sentence of present continuous tense into assertive negative. Only we have to place not just after am, is or are. We have to place not just after am, is or are. In this way, we can make assertive affirmative sentence of present continuous tense into assertive negative. Now I will show you how we can make this assertive affirmative sentence into interrogative affirmative. Into interrogative affirmative, I am changing. First of all, first one, I am playing now. Am I playing now? Am I playing now? Question mark. Similarly, second one, he is reading a book. Is he reading a book? Question mark. Similarly, third one, are the boys enjoying the game? Are the boys enjoying? Are the boys enjoying the game? Question mark. In this way, we can make this assertive affirmative sentence into interrogative affirmative. In that case, we have to place the present form of be verb, that means am, is, are, only just before the subject, and at last question mark. Now I will show you how we can change these assertive affirmative sentences into interrogative negative sentence. Into interrogative negative. First of all, first one, I am playing now. We can say, am I not playing? Am I not playing now? Question mark. Here, in negative interrogative sentence, always you have to note if the subject is noun or pronoun. if the subject is pronoun, then not is placed just after the subject. For example, I, it is subject pronoun. That's why not is placed just after the subject. But if we use shortened form or contracted form, then if we use abbreviated form, then we have to write like this, or we can do in this way. Aren't I playing now? Aren't I playing now? Aren't I playing now? We cannot say amn't I, because amn't I is not a good expression. That's why we should say aren't I if we use contracted form, and then we can place before the subject. Before the subject pronoun we can place aren't, and generally amn't it is not used because it is awkward sounding. That's why. Similarly, second one, if I want to make the second sentence into interrogative negative, the answer will be like this. Second one, is he not reading? Is he not reading a book? Is he not reading a book? Here also note interrogative negative, that means you have to note the subject, it is noun or pronoun. He, subject, it is pronoun. That's why if I use full form, we have to use not just after the subject pronoun. Or we can use contracted form or shortened form, and then we can write in this way. Isn't he reading a book? Isn't he reading a book? Question mark. Similarly, third one also we can change into interrogative negative in the same way. Third one, the boys are enjoying the game. Are not the boys enjoying the game? Are not the boys enjoying the game? Now note here, it is interrogative negative, and interrogative negative means we have to note the subject if we use full form. Here the boys, it is subject noun. That's why not is placed just before the subject if we use full form. But if we use contracted form or shortened form, then we can write in this way. Aren't the boys enjoying the game? Aren't the boys enjoying the game? In this way we can change assertive affirmative sentence into assertive negative, thereafter into interrogative affirmative, and thereafter into interrogative negative. It is very easy because am, is, are, these auxiliary verbs are present in present continuous tense. That's why it is very easy to transform into negative interrogative or negative interrogative. Okay.